In this video, I'll guide you through how to emergency lock your Coinbase account. If you ever believe your Coinbase account may be at risk, such as after losing your phone, having a device stolen, or suspecting that someone else has access to your account, Coinbase provides an emergency account lock feature that can help protect your funds. The exact appearance of the dashboard may vary depending on your region or future updates, but the overall process is generally the same. I'm already signed in to my Coinbase account and on the home screen. From here, go to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. In the menu that appears, select Manage Profile to open your account settings. Once you're in the account settings, look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side and click on Security. Inside the Security section, you'll see several security-related options available for your account. Look for the Lock section and click on it to continue. On this page, Coinbase explains what happens when you lock your account. If you're sure you need to take this step, click the red Lock Account button. For this demonstration, I won't actually click it because doing so would immediately lock access to the account. Once the account is locked, Coinbase restricts access across your devices to help prevent unauthorized activity. This can be extremely useful if you think someone else may have your phone or computer, or if you believe your account credentials may have been compromised. Keep in mind that this feature is designed for emergencies. Since it disables access to your account, you'll need to complete Coinbase's recovery process before you can sign back in. Typically, you'll be asked to enter your email address and password, then verify your identity before access is restored. Depending on your situation and the verification process, this may take several hours or longer. Because of that, it's a good idea to use the emergency lock only when you genuinely believe your account security is at risk. If you're simply updating your security settings or changing devices, there are other account management options available that won't temporarily restrict your access. That's all there is to it. That's how you can emergency lock your Coinbase account to help protect it during a potential security incident. If this guide helped you, consider leaving a like, and thanks for watching.